To assemble your casainc square fire pit table, carefully unpack all parts from the box. Compare your parts with the part list in your instruction booklet. If any part is missing or damaged, please do not assemble. Instead, contact us from your service card for replacement parts. Step 1 of assembly is attaching the table's legs using the bolt and washer. The legs can be put on in any order, but be sure to follow the diagram as shown. Once you have the 4 legs secured, give them a few rotations with the hex screwdriver. Now that the legs are attached, you may take panel B and screw it onto legs G and F using the bolt with washer. Attach the right panel, part E, to legs F and I. Secure by threading 4 bolts through the pre-made holes and sealing with the hex nut. Next, we will repeat these steps with back panel D to legs H and I. The final side is left open for attaching the door later. Take parts J and 4 more bolts with washers and thread through the pre-made holes on back panel D and front panel B. You will want to make sure the gas cylinder support knob is facing outwards for easy access. With the help of another person, carefully turn the fire pit table to the upright position. Our trained professional did this alone, but we strongly recommend 2 people. Attach the door panel, part C, by aligning the hinges on the door panel with those on the back left leg, I. No screws are needed for this step. Now our door opens, but needs a handle. Take the door handle, part M, out of your package content along with 1 bolt. Using your own Phillips head screwdriver, you will be able to securely attach the door handle. Before adding the recommended 13.2 pounds of lava rocks, we suggest having a person help you take the table to where you want it to go, assuming it's not already there. Now that you're happy with your location, open your box of lava rocks. Pour them into the bowl of the fire pit table. After pouring, spread them out, making sure to keep the pilot box uncovered. Otherwise, your fire pit table may not ignite. To prepare for lighting, take your propane tank and hook it up into the regulator using the black handle to tighten. Turn the knob from part J to secure your propane tank in place. You will also need 1 single AAA battery to insert into the ignition button. The positive side faces outwards, and twist the cap to tighten. Make sure the gas control knob is set to off. To light, unscrew the cap of your propane tank, push in on the gas control knob to on/min. While holding in the knob, press the ignition button. Your fire should light within 15 seconds. If not, wait 5 minutes and try again. During the first time use, the lava rocks need some time to settle. We recommend leaving it on for 20 minutes, as well as standing 12 feet away from it during this process. After the 20 minutes are up, you may turn off the fire pit table. After waiting for it to cool down, you may wipe the table of any messes. Then drape the covering over the table and protect it from the elements. Congratulations, you have now assembled your casainc square fire pit table. Be sure to follow us for more instructional videos.